Hello guys, welcome to this video. This is very special video because I will teach you how to create a daily income between $20 and $50 a day. Yes, without investing much money. You just invest $100 and no risk. Do you know why no risk? Because you will invest your money in your project. If you decided one day to not continue, it is very easy. Just sell your tokens because this is your tokens. You can sell it all and recover back your money again. It's okay. So it is no risk at all. So you will invest only $100 in your own project and you will get a daily income between $20 to $50 a day. Okay, every day I will teach you that. Okay, the first step, you have to create your own project. You have to own a token because the token will be the money income. How to do that? Okay, the first step, just find the idea like meme coin or utility token, whatever, any idea, and create a token for this idea using fairlaunch.org, this website. It is very easy to create a token. Just click launch a token and fill this very simple form: token name, symbol, project description, and the logo and the links, website link and social media link. Okay, and click create token. Very easy. Your token will be launched like these tokens. Okay, once your token launched, of course when you create the token you have to buy for yourself because all the token supply will be in the liquidity pool, so you have to be the first buyer. This is no risk. Do you know why? Because you are the first buyer. First buyer means you cannot lose because you can sell this token anytime without any losing. Actually, no fees, no swapping fees. So if you buy using $100, you will sell the same or maybe more. Okay, so no risk at all, zero risk. Okay, but the most important point, you have to buy the first one. When you're creating the token, just buy. Okay, I will teach you. Click this. Okay, be the first buyer, and for example 100, and type here $100. Okay, $100, by the way, will give you 10%. If you buy using $100 when creating the token, you will buy 10% of the token. So 10% in the token will be in your wallet. Okay, this is the first step, only first step. You can change your mind any time, no problem. You can sell it and back again your $100, so that it is not risk. Okay, but it is better to continue. I will teach you why. If you continue your project, this fair launch have a levels. Okay, scroll down here to see level 1. When you create the token, it will be level 1. Level 2, this is our target. When your token reach a level 2, means many people, many investors buy your token and the liquidity of this token reach to $10,000. Okay, this is your task, the second task. After creating, you have to find investor anywhere. And when your token reach it to the level 2, this is our real station. We will start from here. Of course, I will give you all these items, no problem about that. This will make your project really strong, but we have something better than this. I will teach you a technique using the token you bought before, the 10% of the token you bought when you created the token. I will teach you a technique how to make these tokens generate a daily money. This $100 you invested in the beginning of the project will be the source of daily income, about $20 to $50 a day. I promise you that. I will teach you how to do that. It is very easy. But the most important point, your project must be reached to level 2. Okay, this is your chance now. Start, think about first, and if you decided to do that, just go to fairlaunch.org and launch your token and work hard, make some effort to make your token or project reach to the level 2. Once you reach the level 2, I will be with you. I will teach you how to make this token like a money generator, a factory of money, daily income. Thanks for watching, and I hope a good luck for all.